Right then, today people, as you can tell by the video, my channel's going to a new series. It's airsoft related. So I've been doing airsoft for a while now, and I've joined a couple of the forums and Facebook groups, that sort of thing. And every now and then you see someone asking questions about mystery boxes, and most of the time people just say it's a waste of money, it's shops clearing their old stock, that sort of thing. So I did a bit of research myself, looked on YouTube, looked at some unopening videos, and I found one that I thought done good deal, so I thought I'd order one and show you what we could possibly get. The one I ordered was the £99 mystery box from Leicester Airsoft. I'm not sponsored, this has come out of my own money, so let's get on with it and open it up. And in true mystery box tradition, I've got a nice sharp knife. Right then, first of all, we have a Pro hard case for a pistol by the look of it. And no price tag on that. Then we also have a hip holster, and there's no price on that. I know that there is, that says it costs $11.99. Oh, there's the gun. Oh, I'm not going to show you that yet. So, we have a carrier bag and a t-shirt. There we go, nice AK-47 t-shirt there. And that has a price tag of $9.99. Get it out the way. And we also have an Airsoft magazine, and that has a price tag of £4.50, and it's the July issue. And we've got a PVC badge, Zombie Outbreak Response Team. There you go, that's my first proper one apart from Taiwan gun, so that'll go there. Also have some Pro RZR 0.2 gram BBs, 3,300 of those. And we also have a bottle of Pro 2.0 green gas. So I'm taking it, it's a green gas pistol. Anything else before we get on to the main events? Nope. So, there we have it. It's an Army Armament R17. So I'd say that's a Glock. Yep. A chrome and black Glock. Yep, green gas, not CO2. And it's a blowback version. So yeah, very nice. Right then, so that's everything laid out. I'm really happy with what I've got, so no complaints from me. So let's break down what everything cost. The BBs were $7.99. The Nuprol hard case was $9.99. The Nuprol gas, that was $6.99, and the holster was $12.99. I couldn't get a price on the patch from the website, but usually they're around £5 from what I've saw on other websites. Magazine was £4.50. The gun was £84.99, and the t-shirt was £9.99. So a grand total of £142.44 for a £99 mystery box. So overall it's great value, I think, and we've got a good gun out of it, so I'm pleased. As I said before, if you don't have your Yukara, they do have the two-toning option, and that's free with any of the guns. So that's a really good thing I like about this website. As I says, I'm not being sponsored. This has came out of my own pocket. I will add the links to the mystery boxes so you can peruse for yourself. But yeah, like and subscribe and comment if there's any info you want to know. And see you next time.